Hey everyone, it's James from FunFoods, and today I'm going to show you how to make this super easy and very delicious Kool Aid pie. Now, a couple of people have requested I make this, so keep watching and I'll show you step by step how to make this. Now, the first thing we need to do to make this recipe is make our crust. Now, you can buy a pre-made graham cracker crust if you'd like, but if you just have about 8 or 9 graham crackers and a plastic bag to put them in, that's what I'm going to do here. It's okay if they're already crushed because we're going to crush them some more. Just let all the air out, zip it up, find something heavy and smash away. Now I'm going to pour this into a bowl. You could just put your melted butter in here and mix it up, but I'm actually going to add some more graham crackers. So I think about 4 more graham crackers in total should do it. Now just take 6 tablespoons of melted butter and pour in there. Mix it through. When your butter's all well combined, now we're just going to take a pie pan, fill it up, and just press it in all the way in and up the sides. Then just take this, put this in the refrigerator for about an hour. Next, in a large bowl, take 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. Just pour it in there. Next, you want to choose whichever flavor Kool Aid you like. I'm choosing cherry for this one. And pour the whole packet in there. This is 0.13 ounces. Mix it up. Okay, so when all your powder from your Kool Aid has dissolved into your sweetened condensed milk, next we're going to add some Cool Whip. This is 8 ounces worth of Cool Whip. Comes in your frozen section. You just have to thaw it out, so keep that in mind. And just take it and plop it all out on there. Now you just want to fold this in. You don't want to mix it, you just want to fold it in. And when it has this nice even consistency, that is your pie filling. Now we'll just pour it into our pie crust and let it sit. So now just pull your crust out of your refrigerator. It should have firmed up nicely so when you touch it, it doesn't crumble away. Take our filling and we're just gonna add it right in there. And just smooth it out nicely. And when it's been nicely smoothed out, just put it back in your refrigerator for at least 4 hours. I'm gonna keep it in there overnight. All right, so our Kool Aid pie was in the refrigerator overnight and it's firmed up nicely. It looked beautiful. So let's cut into it and see how we did. And you can top this any way you like. You can leave it plain. I have some more Cool Whip in a piping bag, and I'm just going to pipe a little bit right there. Then we can top it with a cherry on top because it's cherry Kool Aid pie. And that's it. Now, if you want your crust to not crumble as much, you can add more butter. That would help hold it together. I always don't add enough butter and it crumbles a lot, but just add more butter. Now it's time for the taste test. Let's try out our Kool Aid pie. This is cherry flavor and we'll give it a shot and see how it tastes. Nice. The flavor is nicely consistent throughout. It's not like some things I've made where it's like either too much flavor or not enough. This is the perfect amount of flavor throughout this whole pie. It's good. Well, thanks everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me make this Kool Aid pie. Thanks again to everyone who suggested I make this. It was a lot of fun making this, and it's a super easy dessert to make if you're pressed on time. So I hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, please hit that like button. Also hit that big red subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. You get new videos all the time. And check out some of the videos I have off to the side. I think you may enjoy those as well. And until then, I'll see you next time.